In this post, I am going to show you how to create a simple WCF service in .NET. So let's start. First, create an interface and one method create. And then decorate the interface with service contract and then operation contract. These attributes are available in system.service model. So before using this, add reference to the service model. Now interface is ready. Let's create the concrete class that implement the above interface. So hello world service and then inherit from implements hello world and provide the simple implementation. Return hello WCF service. So our interface and concrete implementation is done. So let's host the service. So there are two ways to host the service. First one is using app.config or web.config, and second one is programmatically. So in this video I am going to show you how to configure WCF service using config file. So first thing, let's service host equal to new and type of, here we pass the concrete implementation service, and then open the service and display some message like service is ready, and then wait for thread to close. If you try to run this application, it will throw the exception because it will not find any binding endpoint address. So let's wait, it's running. Yeah, so let's configure. So go to your app.config and inside configuration section add system.service model. Inside this there is a services tag, it's a collection. Inside this we add the service name. Here we pass the service class with namespace. So its namespace is WCF service, WCF server, and then inside this we configure the endpoint. So endpoint contains basically three information: address where the service is hosted, so I am going to specify 9090, and then what is the binding, so let's use basic HTTP binding, and what is the contract. So you can also see the end license here. So I don't see, so let's type it. It's WCF service dot hello world. Let's match. So our configuration is ready. So let's run and see. So its service is ready. So in part 2 I will show you how to consume this service.